For this assignment, I am going to be focusing on Lauren Smith. And Lauren Smith is a little girl who is a well above average student, except she had problems staying focused and getting her work done. They discovered that the academic challenges she faced in school probably stems from her social problems that started when she was in first grade and got progressively worse. Based on that, I noticed that she had problems socially, and also she had some cognitive problems because she had problems with attention, like staying focused. Um, the two domains I decided to look into was social interaction and attention span issues. Um, So, as for social interaction, in her backstory, they said that Lauren first started to have social problems when she was in the first grade, which is around 6 to 7 years old. She didn't interact with any kids for the whole year, and because of that, it affected her development. According to the textbook, kids around the ages 2 through 7 are crucial for social emotional development because they are grasping a concept of the world. So, once they interact with other children, they learn how to interact properly through physical and verbal communication, which Lauren lacked. As for her attention span problem, in her backstory, it states that her attention span issue lies in her brain chemistry, and there is a breakdown in the distribution of dopamine, which is related to her attention problems. Um, Emotion and cognition both contribute to attentional problems, decision making, and learning, but she has a problem with understanding that emotion due to her lack of social skills, which is why she probably has problems with attention. Um, Her emotional incapability doesn't allow her to empathize with others as well as other kids do. So because of that, she has problems understanding social cues, and her attention span problem stems from her emotional and social issues. Um, so a theory that I noticed that related to Lauren Smith's story was Lev Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory of cognitive development. And he states um, that the social interactions with adults and more learned peers can facilitate a child's potential for learning. And I think this closely relates to Lauren Smith's backstory because she lacked that interaction, that social interaction with her peers. So it stunted her potential for development and growth and learning. Um, in order to combat that issue she has, there are ways to prevent that, and um, families or peers can provide problem solving activities, they can promote friendships, or you can plan experiences and activities with other peers. There's no real support group to combat this issue, but it's more what the family can do in order to fix that. Thank you.